Hi, Ma'am and Sir. Good day. My name is Leah Bahar Sabalo. I'm from Ilocos Sur, Philippines. I'm 41 years old. I'm married. I have 2 children, one boy and one girl. The boy is 17 years old and the girl is 15 years old. I'm working before in United Arab Emirates 14 years since 2014 until 2024. The first employer is 7 member of family. I'm working there for 6 years. My duties there is cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and take care the 3 years baby with together with the one housemaid. The second family is 5 members family. The second employer is 5 members of family. My duties there is cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and the third employer is a 9 member of family. I'm working there for 2 years. My duties there is cleaning, washing dishes, and that's all. Madam and Sir, I promise you I do the best to serve you and your family. And I promise you I finish my contract of 2 years for 2 years in your family. Thank you and God bless you.